A popular Houston area church was significantly damaged by Hurricane Beryl.
The Lighthouse Church campus in Humble is closed indefinitely for repairs, but the ministry says it will continue to serve the community.
Fox 26's Sherman Desselle joining us live from Humble off of 59 with a look at some of that damage.
Yeah, Anthony, Rashi, good evening. So this campus would normally serve as a cooling center during a massive power outage event like Beryl that we're experiencing right now, but it took a big hit from those hurricane-force winds. But despite the indefinite closure here, it won't stop their impact to the community.
If we're going to represent who Jesus is, these are the things we got to do, and these are the times we have to do it in.
Bishop Sion Roberts shows us the extensive damage Beryl left behind at the Lighthouse Church in Humble. Those strong winds ripped through the sanctuary here. The roof collapsed in several spots.
We have some damage. We just don't know how much or all of even where it's coming from.
There's water damage to many rooms in the building, and much of the electrical system is compromised. The church says while they're stunned at the loss of their building, they're thankful no one was hurt. A video announcement made by the church about the damage on social media has come with a big response.
I think the outpouring will be great because our outpouring has been great. Pastor Keon and Lady Shani, their heart has been the community. So I think we reap what we sow.
Lighthouse has been sowing in a great way with 22,000 members and growing in person and online. Roberts tells us their leadership intends to serve those who depend on them despite the damage. This as many individuals and families in the Houston area are dealing with significant loss.
We're focused on making sure that the people who partner with us and the community are okay, and we just want to make sure that we don't stop being the church. Like these times is when we are really proven, and we get a chance to prove what the Bible says about us being the living organism and not just the organization.
So we thank Pastor Keon Anderson and Lighthouse for allowing us to get up close and personal with this damage that they're dealing with. So the remaining campuses across Houston will remain open, including their online services throughout the week. So check with, if you're a member of Lighthouse Church, check with their website. But they also said there will be opportunities for people to come and help them with this recovery efforts. That's to be determined at a later date. Reporting from Humble, Sherman Desselle, Fox 26 News.